Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in to a brand new episode of The Nation Wants to Know. Remember, we are just about 13 hours away from the big counting of the state of Maharashtra, Jharkhand and all the by-polls. But if you thought that these results are just about Maharashtra, just about Jharkhand and a few by-polls, you are horribly wrong. Because the results, remember ladies and gentlemen, could be an absolute turning point when it comes to our politics. Remember, we are just also days away from the big Parliament winter session. I want to bring up images of Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi now on your screens because these two are going to be the defining features, the defining characters when it comes to politics in the state of Maharashtra, Jharkhand. Because clearly you will have a national imprint, you will have national answers to what happens tomorrow. In case you have these results going one way, which many say is most likely because the turnout has gone up pretty importantly. 66.05% has been the voter turnout, the highest voter turnout since the year 1995, when you had a lot of independents in fray. And do remember, for the last 34 years at least, you have not had any single party that has swept Maharashtra. But for the moment, the biggest question that's up on your screens, I want to begin by, putting out that Haryana question once more, if our teams can do that. Can the BJP, remember, retain its Haryana invincibility? When BJP won Haryana, a lot of people said this is unbelievable, this cannot happen. But the BJP did that. They have beaten 10 years of anti-incumbency. Congress that was poised to win the state lost it. And people said this again is a clear vote of no confidence in Rahul Gandhi. So can the BJP retain its Haryana invincibility? Will it come out victorious tomorrow? Will it win Maharashtra? Will it win Jharkhand? The second big question that we'll be looking at answer to tomorrow, that is Saturday, this is going to be the biggest test of Hindutva so far. Batenge to katenge. Ek rahenge to safe rahenge is what Prime Minister Modi, Yogi Adityanath, the RSS chief, have said. And this in a way has become a new war cry for the BJP right now. So has the Hindutva factor consolidated Hindus, or people have gotten broken into caste as Rahul Gandhi wants the society to be broken? We will find an answer to that question again tomorrow come the results day. If the BJP, ladies and gentlemen, wins the state of Maharashtra, will it be indestructible? You cannot touch the BJP, forget about touching Prime Minister Modi till the next big battle. And the allies, like the Janata Dal United, like the TDP, will clearly have a lesser say. Because these elections are very important. And a lot of people already have been saying that Pradhan Mantri Modi mazboot nahi hai. But if the BJP is able to win Maharashtra tomorrow, what will those people be saying? Let's bring up the next question now up on your screens. The next question is also about Rahul Gandhi. You have to talk about Rahul Gandhi. He is the LOP. He's been raising a lot of charges against this government. And like I said, you have the winter session of the Parliament just around the corner. Will a win for the MVA that is led by the Congress boost Rahul Gandhi's credibility? If he wins, absolutely. Then, even people like Arvind Kejriwal, who today have zero vote of confidence in Rahul Gandhi, leaders like Mamata Banerjee, who are now unusually quiet, will all rally behind Rahul Gandhi. He could become that national fulcrum yet again, leading the charge of the entire opposition. The next question now that's going to go up on your screens. Again, these are questions, like I said, that will be answered tomorrow. Can the Congress, ladies and gentlemen, redeem itself from the Haryana poll loss? What a battle they have lost in Haryana. But can the Congress spring a surprise tomorrow? And you must be thinking why I'm not talking much of the Sharad Pawar, faction of the SP and also the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP is because the Congress, ladies and gentlemen, has been fighting on 102 seats. So if they don't perform well, this will affect Sharad Pawar and this will also affect the Sena UBT, that is Uddhav Thackeray. On the other side, the other critical question that's going to be answered tomorrow is that will Rahul Gandhi now prove to be a Parjeevi? What Prime Minister Modi said, Parjeevi like a parasite for the allies. कि आप खुद तो डूबेंगे, अपने allies को भी ले डूबेंगे. A lot of these questions will be answered by tomorrow. And like I said, every election is very, very fascinating. And right now, before you even have the results coming in and before these questions are answered, there is this Kissa Kursi ka already going on in the state of Maharashtra. With both the camps saying we are confident, Congress already saying ki bhai chief minister to hum hi banayenge, without speaking to the NCP Sharad Pawar faction or speaking even to the Sena UBT, who also want Uddhav Thackeray to be the chief minister. On the other side, even the Mahayuti right now is also in touch with a lot of independents. Remember, independents can actually change the course of this entire election. Will Eknath Shinde be retained as the chief minister in case you have the Yuti that wins power again? Or will Devendra Fadnavis or a dark horse? No one knows. What about Ajit Pawar? Can he win any seats? Will he be able to win Baramati? So a lot of these sub-questions, that you will have getting answered in the next just a little over 13 hours. Allow me a moment. I want to play out all the responses we have from the state of Maharashtra that is all set to answer those big national questions. And this is going to be the national mood setter.
भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं को लगता है देवेंद्र जी सीएम होना चाहिए, लेकिन पक्का है कि हमारा केंद्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड और तीनों नेता बैठकर योग्य निर्णय करेंगे।
सेना के भी सभी नेता और कार्यकर्ता का ये विश्वास रहेगा कि एकनाथ शिंदे जी ही अगला मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, फिर से मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, क्योंकि ये जो इलेक्शन है वो एकनाथ शिंदे जी के ही नेतृत्व में लड़ा गया था।
एक बात कंफर्म है कि महाविकास आघाड़ी की ही सरकार आने वाली है। ऐसे श्री उद्धव बाला साहब ठाकरे जी से बड़ा लोकप्रिय चेहरा कौन है? तो हमारी इच्छा है कि उद्धव ठाकरे साहब बने।
कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप में ही सरकार महाविकास आघाड़ी की बनेगी। कांग्रेस की सबसे ज्यादा कैंडिडेट चुन के आएंगे।
Let's say good evening to a panel of guests joining us. We have Charu Pragya, who's the BJP's national spokesperson. Rupali Patil is the NCP spokesperson. Mr. Rajgopalan ji is a senior journalist, and I think he knows what's going to happen tomorrow. So we'll find out from him very, very shortly. Kushal Mungta is a Congress leader. Kushal, it's good to have you on the show. Also, he's wearing a Himachali cap. Lot of crisis in Himachal, but dekhte aage aage kya hota hai Maharashtra mein in particular. You also have Intikhab Faruqi, who represents the Shiv Sena UBT faction on the show, and Pranay Ajmera, the NCP SP faction, is also completing our panel. So, Kaushal, let's begin by asking you that what happens tomorrow will also decide whether Rahul Gandhi really today deserves to be that one force that can hold the entire opposition together. Pradhan Mantri has called him a Parjivi. Rahul Gandhi wants to divide the society on the basis of caste. Will the Congress accept it's a Parjivi in case you lose the election tomorrow?
परजीवी कौन है, परजीवी कौन नहीं है, ये तो महाराष्ट्र की जनता कल बता देगी। परंतु जो स्वयं जो है आज तक जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी और कांग्रेस के लीडरों पर और पूरे देश को जो बांट करके अपनी राजनीति सेक रहे हैं, वो परजीवी हुए। इस प्रकार का शब्द मुझे नहीं लगता कि राजनीति में प्रचलन में भी होना चाहिए। रही बात कल के आंकड़ों की, और आपने बहुत सारी चीजें दिखाई कि भाई कांग्रेस के लोग कह रहे कि हमारा मुख्यमंत्री होगा, या मैं तो यह कहना चाहता हूं कि अजीत पवार जी और जो भाजपा के जो महायुति के जो गठबंधन के लोग हैं, वो स्वयं ये बात अंदर खाते जानते कि भाजपा जो है वापस सत्ता में नहीं आने वाली है। और इनका जितना भी पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन था पूरे चुनाव के अंदर, चाहे जो लोगों को बांटने की बात, कटेंगे तो बटेंगे से करने की बात है, चाहे इनके नारों को आप देख लीजिए, चाहे आप इनके गठबंधन की, अजीत पवार जी का आज पोस्टर जो है पूरे जो है महाराष्ट्र के अंदर मुख्यमंत्री का पहले ही लगा दिया गया है। मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस ने जिन मुद्दों पर चुनाव लड़ा, चाहे वो बेरोजगारी की बात थी, चाहे वो महाराष्ट्र के अंदर जो है कृषकों के जो किसानों की हत्याओं की बात थी, और एक बहुत बड़ी चीज देखिए आप कि गांव में, देहात के इलाकों में ज्यादा वोट पड़े हैं, हमारे जो है ग्रामीण इलाकों में ज्यादा वोट।
तो आप जीत रहे हैं ना। आप देखिए, आप दोनों सेना यूबीटी और एनसीपी एसपी को बता रहे हैं कि देखिए भाई कल तो हम ही जीत रहे हैं, तो हम ही मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे ना। आप यही कह रहे हैं नाना पटोले अगले मुख्यमंत्री होंगे महाराष्ट्र के? बोलिए ना, खुल के बोलिए, आप क्यों डर रहे हैं?
देखिए ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, ये चीजें तो चुनाव के रिजल्ट आने के बाद।
अरे नाना पटोले खुद कहते हैं ना कि वो मुख्यमंत्री बन रहे हैं।
देखिए ऐसा है, ये तो एनसीपी भी कह रही है, ये तो भाजपा भी कह रही है, ये तो जो है एकनाथ शिंदे जी की पार्टी भी कह रही है।
पूछते हैं ना, पूछते हैं। इंतिखाब फारूकी जी हैं, who represents the Shiv Sena UBT. अब इंतिखाब जी, I mean, are you okay with anyone but Uddhav Thackeray as the face, as the chief minister?
100%, madam. Good evening to all of you. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray 100% he is going to be the as he was the chief minister before also, and he worked really good for the people when we were going through the pandemic situation during the corona period. As he worked for the people, until now people are talking about it, how good Mr. Uddhav Thackeray as a chief minister he worked for the people. And we are sure that exit polls are not always the exact polls. Tomorrow, even when the numbers will be counted, we are sure definitely we are going to come up with good numbers, and the Maha Vikas Aghadi will definitely make form a government.
Okay, and Uddhav Thackeray will be the chief minister. Nana Patole will also be the chief minister. I wanted to go to Pranay Ajmera right away, but I'm told that we have a trouble connecting with him. But Charu, the point is that you might be mocking all of them right now. The deal is, can you tell me who's your chief ministerial face? Is it going to be Devendra Fadnavis? Is this going to be Eknath Shinde? Bol dijiye ab aap bhi, Charu.
Bilkul. Deepti, good evening to you. And let me first start by responding to what the other spokespersons have said. वो कह रहे हैं कि आज भी आप नेहरू का नाम लेते हैं, तो let me remind him कि घड़ियों ने खता की और सदियों ने सजा पाई. आज तक हमारा देश वो सजा भुगत रहा है जो नेहरू जी हमारे नाम लिख के गए हैं. So obviously we have to talk about it, because if we forget our history, the future is going to forget us. India is on a path of course correction.
मोहब्बत की दुकान वाले हैं, आपकी मोहब्बत की दुकान में पेशेंस भी होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सब्र रखिए, चंद घंटों की बात है. चारू, yes.
Did my words pinch you too much? And if they did, I'm not going to apologize, because I only speak the truth here. Another thing is that when we are talking about the way these elections are going to decide a lot of things in politics, not merely what two governments will be in two different states.
Yes.
Let me remind everyone कि हरियाणा के पहले भी बहुत सारे नैरेटिव्स को फ्लोट किया गया था. किसान नाराज हैं, जाट नाराज हैं, हम जातियों पर बात करना चाहते हैं. What did the people of Haryana do? They put a full stop to these narratives once and for all by giving a thumping majority to the party which talks about unity, which talks about सबका साथ सबका विकास, which says कि जब देश विकास करेगा तो देश का हर वर्ग विकास करेगा, and that is what Bharatiya Janata Party and our Prime Minister Modi ji stands
by. Okay, but Charu, you also ducked my question. Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde or someone else as the chief minister?
No, I'm not. I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it. So Deepti, let me honestly tell you that these elections were not forced on one face as a chief ministerial candidate. But we have no qualms in whoever is the chief minister tomorrow, because if you look at Bihar, the chief minister is our alliance partner. If you look at Nagaland, again the chief minister is our alliance partner. Currently also in Maharashtra, the chief minister is our alliance partner.
Are you saying Devendra Fadnavis has no chance come tomorrow? See, that brings such a big smile on Pranay Ajmera's face. I will get it, Rupali and Rajgopalan ji. But Pranay, you just heard your good friends in the Congress and the UBT saying कि भाई मुख्यमंत्री तो हम ही बनाएंगे. Are you telling me Supriya Sule is not in the race?
Hello, Deepti and other coveted panelists. Ma'am, anyone from the MBA is in the race. My senior leaders have already clarified in the past that we are not fighting it for the CM post, but we are fighting against the misgovernance of Mahayuti. So it is very crystal clear as of now that we are just not eyeing the post or eyeing the chair, but we are just eyeing to form the government and the healthy government, ma'am. See, there are a lot of narratives being spread since morning that the MLAs are in touch, or the Mahayuti people are getting connected to a lot independence and what not things they have been doing. These things are into consideration because the past record of Mahayuti leaders is just not so good. They have shifted sides every now and then, and the BJP all over the India, and I should say all over the globe is famous for doing this kind of politics. So let them do what they wish to.
No, are you already putting out an apprehension that your MLAs could be on sale? Because this is pretty startling. I mean, if you believe your MLAs can be on sale, they can be sold and bought like this. So you have to ensure that you move them to resorts, no, Pranay?
Ma'am, Dipti ma'am, BJP is known to try every trick in the book to form unconstitutional governments. The word unconstitutional holds prime importance here.
You're
And
already
let them
crying
do what they want to.
unconstitutional. अभी तो रिजल्ट भी नहीं आए प्रणय कि क्या हो गया. I mean, where is your confidence?
Dipti ji, let them do what they want to. I have clarified I have said this on record in not many panels, and today I'm setting this record straight that Maha Vikas Aghadi is winning 165 plus seats, and let BJP do what they want to do.
165. How many you're giving to Congress? Pranay, how many are you giving to Congress in 165?
Ma'am, there is some analysis we have been doing. But Congress will definitely have a good show, and so is NCP, Sharad Pawar, and Uddhav Thackeray's party. So Maha Vikas Aghadi is a family. We fought against three parties.
Yes,
There
you
are
are a
four
family,
parties
but you know, in your heart, Pranay, and I think Intekab ji is also so quiet, but I think all of you in your hearts don't want Rahul Gandhi to win Maharashtra, na? You don't want him to win because you want to ensure that he remains in that position where you're able to treat him, you know, and he's able to give you some leg room. Otherwise, wo sab, the big boys, you know, blackmailing and a lot of those things of the Congress will come back. But Rupali ji, you represents the, you know, NCP here. अब मुझे ये बताइए रूपाली जी कि आपका क्या असेसमेंट है, कौन जीतने वाला है?
इलेक्शन हो गया है, वोटिंग मशीन में बंद हुआ है. ये जो अपोजिशन वाले हैं वो बार बार बोल रहे कि ये असंवैधानिक सरकार है, मगर कोर्ट ने कहा है क्या? नहीं कहा है. अपोजिशन का काम है. महायुति की सरकार आएगी, महायुति के अलायंस में जो पक्ष है वो वरिष्ठ नेता बैठकर वहां पे मुख्यमंत्री ऐलान करेंगे. अपोजिशन ने पहले हमारे तीनों में झगड़ा लगाने की कोशिश की. मुख्यमंत्री कौन देवेंद्र फडणवीस ही बनेंगे, ऐसा बोल के महायुति ने ये लोगों को
रूपाली जी, आपको नहीं लगता देवेंद्र फडणवीस मुख्यमंत्री बन सकते हैं? आपको नहीं लगता?
नहीं, बन सकते हैं, मगर कंफर्मली नहीं. ये महायुति के वरिष्ठ नेता चूज करेंगे ना. और देवेंद्र फडणवीस नहीं बनेंगे तो दूसरे भी बन सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पोस्टर लगा.
लेकिन ये बताइए ना, अजीत पवार जी तो बटेंगे तो कटेंगे से ही नाराज हुए हैं. वो कहते हैं तो हमारा स्लोगन ही नहीं है.
ये नारा आदित्यनाथ जी यहाँ पे आए थे तब बोले थे. अजीत दादा ने स्पष्ट रूप से कह दिया था महाराष्ट्र में शिवशाही फुले का अस्तित्व है, वो विचारों से हमारा महाराष्ट्र चलता है. और उन्होंने कह दिया था विरोधी पार्टी को यही कहना था, विरोधी पार्टी को महाविकास को जब भी मुस्लिम मौलाना ने जब उनका जो आदेश था उनका क्या बोलते हैं वो उन्होंने ऐलान कर दिया, तब जाके हिंदू पूछने लगे क्योंकि वोट. अरे
आपने भी तो कहा, एनसीपी ने भी कहा ना कि 10% टिकट आप मुसलमानों को देंगे. दिया तो आपने भी, अब आप भी तो गेम खेल रहे हैं ना. सुनिए जैसे कहते हैं ना राजगोपालन जी. यस, आई वांट टू गेट इट नाउ मिस्टर राजगोपालन. एंड यू नो फेमस सेइंग इन हिंदी व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड हियर कि समाम में सब नंगे हैं. I mean, look at all parties, they've tried everything, Rajgopalan ji. What will happen tomorrow and what will this mean for national politics and the upcoming winter session, sir?
Upcoming winter session, in otherwise also it is going to be a washout because of Adani. We don't get into that. The debate is about Maharashtra and other things. It is going to have a cascading effect on the Congress. Because tomorrow, my understanding, I have been in Maharashtra, my understanding, Deepti, BJP is the only one party which will have a 3 digits, baki sara 2 digits. Take it from me. Cross 100, BJP. Baki sara 50 ko niche, 40 ko niche, something like that. And second thing, BJP is safe, Congress साफ.
अच्छा, आप कह रहे हैं बीजेपी सेफ, कांग्रेस साफ. अब देखिए नारों का मौसम है कौशल, टेंशन तो आपको हो रही होगी ना, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी पर सबसे ज्यादा चीजें यहाँ पर हिंच करती हैं. अब प्रणय और इंतखाब जी ये बात मानते नहीं है, बट द कांग्रेस हैज पिक्ड अप अ लॉट ऑफ सीट्स. आप इतनी जीत पाएंगे सीट्स?
Nana Patole himself said that 2 months before we should have contacted them.
Correct. Yes, कौशल.
सुन लीजिए, राहुल गांधी जी ने ना केवल महाराष्ट्र चुनाव में बल्कि वो पूरे विपक्ष के एक अगुवा बने हुए हैं, झंडा उठाए हुए हैं, लड़ रहे हैं भाजपा से. और जो आपने बात बोली थी ना दीप्ति, हिमाचल की टोपी पहन के आ रहे हैं, वहां पर क्राइसिस नहीं है. हमने घमंड तोड़ा था भाजपा का.
अरे आपने हिमाचल भवन को सेल पर लगवा दिया. अब आप बताइए कैसे जनता आपको वोट देगी?
महाराष्ट्र के अंदर भी राहुल गांधी जी ने जो मेहनत की है, हमारी साथी पार्टी ने मेहनत की है, हम जीतेंगे और हर हाल में जीतेंगे. और तीनों पार्टियों का अच्छा प्रदर्शन होगा। और जो ये प्रवक्ता बिठा रखे हैं आपने, जिनको आप राजनीतिक विश्लेषक बोल रहे हैं, ये हमेशा भाजपा की तारीफ करते हैं, हमेशा भाजपा की तारीफ करते हैं। और इनके तो दोगलापन देखिए आप दोनों का।
कौशल पर्सनल अटैक से क्या होगा? देखिए चंद घंटे हैं, उसके बाद संविधान खतरे में है, डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में है, ईवीएम सही नहीं है, ये सारी बातें उठाई जाएंगी ना मिस्टर राजगोपाल?
Haryana, listen, the Congress spokesperson should understand what happened in Haryana. They want to change the name of the spokesperson also if BJP wins in Haryana. What happened? So my understanding, after having visited Maharashtra and reported Maharashtra, BJP, Eknath Shinde, they are on a stronger ground, NCP, Ajit Pawar. Congress, I am telling you, this is going to be the last election of Mr. Sharad Pawar. He wanted to play politics. That has been failed by Mr. Ajit Pawar. So there
I have to say this.
Okay, now you have poked Pranay. He would want to come in. He's eating into Charu's time, but Pranay, quickly.
Ma'am,
yes.
The panelist just said something about Sharad Pawar Sahab that it is his last election or something like that. No, Honorable Pawar Sahab has himself made it clear that he will not be into electoral politics, but he will look after the organization and he will see the day-to-day affairs of the organization.
So are you saying Supriya Sule now will take over?
Into organizational politics.
Supriya Sule will take a more, important role in the state of Maharashtra. Is that what you're saying, Pranay?
Ma'am, she is the national working president of the party. She's already playing a very important role in the Maharashtra politics.
Can she be the next chief minister in case the alliance wins?
I would definitely wish her to be the next chief minister, but let's keep the finger crossed. A lot has to come out. What has happened till now is elections. The Rajniti is going to happen. Okay. The Rajniti isn't just started. So
yes, he says Rajniti to abhi shuru hogi. Asli chunav to kal ke baad shuru hoga na. Charu, are you ready? Charu, all of you are ready. 20 seconds, Charu.
Sorry, Deepti. I lost your voice for a second there.
I realized you were making a lot of notes, Charu. A lot of things are happening. Independents are being contacted. People are shifted to resorts. But how confident is the BJP? Do you think you can be the single largest party?
We are going to be the single largest party. There are no doubts about that. And it is not going to be a coincidence that BJP will come out as the single largest party. It will happen because of sheer hard work, because of reaching every last person of society in the state of Maharashtra. Go down on the grounds, talk to women, talk to youngsters. Remind them of a time when the politics of no development was being followed in the state of Maharashtra, even while Uddhav ji was the chief minister.
Okay.
It was politics of no development. Bharatiya Janata Party believes in the politics of development, and that's exactly why we're going to come back to power and we'll also be the single largest party.
Okay, I must thank all of you, and I must also say that Intika Faruqi ji, the Shiv Sena UBT leader, is really quiet today. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आखिर में सर? 10 सेकंड है. टेंशन तो आपको सबसे ज्यादा होगी कि उद्धव ठाकरे का क्या होगा?
I can tell you there are many major issues which they should think before saying making these statements, because there are many things people have noticed of our country, of Mumbai, of Maharashtra, that the young youth, I mean, there was a failure to provide jobs to them. When it comes to women's safety, there are many hateful speeches that masjid mein ghus ke marenge. So these are many major issues that people have noticed.
But मुसलमान एक हो जाइए, ऐसा कॉल ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड लेता है सर. उद्धव ठाकरे remains quiet. These are also questions, Rajgopalan ji, that will be answered tomorrow. As Congress just become a Muslim-centric party, Kaushal, I know you want to say, but I do not have time. We've completely run out of time. But tomorrow is another day. It's going to be a long night for all of you. So all the best to all of you, Rajgopalan ji. We'll again meet tomorrow and find out who wins, who loses, what happens. And thanking both the ladies and all gentlemen for joining us. We head into a quick break.